Hey friends, how are you all doing? I'm Sprunki, and today we're here with Miss Vana and Natia to bring you an exciting new drawing lesson. Let's get started. Alright kids, are you ready? Awesome! Now draw a big circle right in the center of your paper. Let's go! Now draw two circles of the same size inside the big one. These will be the eyes. Make them nice and clear. Let's keep going. And now, at the top of those two circles, draw two half circles. These are the eyelids. Just follow the picture and make them nice and smooth. Let's keep going. And now, draw two half circles inside the eyes. This will complete the eyes. Make them bold and clear. Great job, let's keep going. And now it's time to draw my eyebrows and my mouth. Let's make them bold and expressive. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Now it's time to draw the body. Just pull two straight lines down from under the head and finally connect them at the bottom. Great job. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Now it's time to draw the two antennas on my head. They look just like lightning bolts, so pay close attention and draw them just like Vana does. Let's make them sharp and awesome. And if you've enjoyed the lesson so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us keep making fun videos for you. Now, draw my two ears at the lower sides of my head, one on the left and one on the right. Make them clear and cute. Awesome work, keep going! And now, take a thick black marker and bolden the outline of my whole body. Make those lines strong and clean. Amazing work! Keep going! Now, color my eyes completely black. Make them bold, shiny, and super clear. Great job! Let's keep going! Finally, color my whole body green. Make it bright, smooth, and super clean. Amazing job, you did it! I hope you all enjoyed this drawing. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye for now.